I made my own version of Opus Clip, and it runs completely for free. The AI model that it's calling, completely free. All I have to do is drop in a clip or a URL, and I can do more than just YouTube. I can do other social medias like TikTok, Twitter, whatever, wherever you got a video. You pull it in, it transcribes it, gives it a score, just like Opus Clip. We even get stitched clips so that there's different segments of the video that are pulled together. Okay, so traditionally a clip might be from 30 seconds to 1 minute in a video, but no longer. With the stitch clips, we can pull not only that 30-second to 1 minute clip, we can jump over to 5 minutes and 15 to 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Then we can jump back to 2 minutes to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Take those 3 different pieces and have a hook, a body, a main point, just essentially a new video made, a new short form video completely made by the AI based on things that we said throughout the whole video. Okay, so let's say you're making a long video with a 5-step process, and in the beginning you're like, today we're going over the 5 steps of this, and that's like 5 seconds in. And then a minute later you're like, step 1 is this. Well, now it'll pull that. And then step 2 is this at 3 minutes. And at 6 minutes, step 4, you get what I'm saying, right? And then it'll pull them all together and you'll get a short instantly. Today we're talking about the 5 steps. Step 1 is this. Boom, jumps to step 2. Things like that is the idea, as well as things you never even predicted, where it will go, it'll try to find a hook here, and then it'll do maybe a rehook and put a body to get it's cool, but it's actually doing some real work here. It's putting in more effort than some even video editors would. And then not only that, I forgot to mention, we have the B-roll. We have the AI B-roll. We have the AI edits that Opus Clip is just starting to roll out now. I already got those. And this runs locally on my machine, so I'm not having to pay anybody. The electricity costs, my laptop being charged or whatever is probably the only cost it's really, costing me at this point. But the biggest thing is that now for my business, if I need to grow my YouTube channel for myself, for my business, or for someone else's business, boom, getting clips for them is easy. It's free. I don't have to pay a subscription. It's pretty instant. Right now we're sitting here. I'm just yapping while it finishes up. I know it says it's finished, but yeah, I didn't finish every little animation to be 100% perfect. It's still getting everything ready, because once we're done here, we'll know it's ready when it shows us all the clips with the scoring and everything like that, and then we're able to approve them, get them all rendered out and posted, scheduled out. So yeah, if you haven't seen the clips yet, they are live on my channel, right? So there are videos on my channel that you can check out. Let's see, it looks like I'll just pull up one of these for now so you can see what it looks like. For example, ad creation used to be a serious time sink. Going through footage, making variations, formatting for different B-roll pull-in. We got most of a work day. Emphasis. Instead, I built a system that handles that. Now the time that it takes to get a batch of around 1,000 ads out is maybe 20 minutes. This clip even does. On the longer videos, if I can find a longer video, it'll do transitions and stuff like that. All these are short clips, it looks like. But yeah, it does a mix of short clips, and if it'll not make me eat my words here, there should be some longer clips that come out of things, but we're still waiting for it to process. I'm recording at the same time, so hopefully that's not slowing things down too much. Let's see, where's a long short? Here, minute 15, there we go. So here's some more segments. Logic, so integration works. Maybe it's B-roll, which qualification conversation where the AI handles the back and forth until the client is fully booked, like talked about. That's the full screen B-roll, where it's just got the full screen or a B-roll in the background going and captions on top. There was a little flash transition, now a little zoom out from the more zoomed in clip. So it does some basic, edits. It's kind of like replacing your Indian guy or Filipino editor on Fiverr. That was kind of the first step. And then I'm going to just be refining it further as I have extra time in the evenings and whatnot. But yeah, basically fully completed a copy of Opus Clip that's in a working state enough to where, here we go. So look at this. We got 21 different clips, and this video is like 10 minutes long or something. So pretty crazy amount of clips right there. And then I can change where the subtitles are because of, like, if you're sitting, standing, full body, half body, talking head, whatever, close up, far away, you might want to shift that. And I can just click render all, and it's going to just, I don't know why it says 18. That's a visual glitch. We had 20 something clips, but it's going to start going through, and it will spit out all the clips into the folder that I rendered it to, right? And then what do I do next? Well, then I pull up Media Master here and I tell him, hey, I need you to go help me upload these every 3 hours, you know, just like this, right? So I could go look at this and schedule them out using YouTube schedule feature, one every 3 hours until we run out starting at this time. And then before you know it, your YouTube channel starts to look like this, where you have scheduled, and you're, days into the future. So it's going to be easy to grow when everything is cheap, free, running pretty much for me. I mean, I can make this process go even to another level where when I export the video from CapCut or whatever editing software I'm in, and it lands in the output folder, boom, now this batch clip app, automatically I could have it pick it up, make the edits, spit the clips out. Is it worth me spending the time to code that? Maybe if I have some extra time, I'll do that. But yeah, I just kind of like, I want to open your guys' eyes to the possibilities of what everything's going on. I mean, I don't have to pay for Opus Clip or any other clipping software. I mean, you could use CapCut, whatever, but now it's also customized to my brand, and I can just I'll be able to easily improve this, especially as the AI models get better. I'll be able to improve this app super easily because it already has a good foundation, and I've already kind of figured out the logic for how to make the auto edits consistent across different clips and things like that, right? So very cool. Just wanted to show it to you guys so that if there's a tool out there, you can copy it and you can Frankenstein different things together and make your own ultimate solution for your business to give yourself an unfair competitive advantage. That's what we're all about on this channel here, is going AI first to give ourselves unfair competitive advantages over our competitors and just make sure we come out on top while staying on a budget, staying cheap, and doing things the right way with AI instead of just using copy and paste this prompt, because that's not, if you're still doing that, well, you're missing out on something. And then we even have stuff like this where now I have my auto engagement stuff that just triggered off. Like you saw, I'm just yapping here, but it's 5 p.m. So every hour, this thing fires off to go start engaging on LinkedIn and 2 different Threads accounts. So I've already made videos on that. You can see it somewhere else, but I mean, it's gotten me hundreds of thousands of views already just by going to do those engagements. So yeah, guys, AI first over here, not AI assisted. And yeah, if you're looking for stuff like that to grow your business, scale your business, if you're a small business owner, medium business owner, doing $100 million a year, whatever it is, I've been actually working with companies of all different sizes to help them figure out how to go AI first properly, make sure they're not ending up with a big bill, a bunch of headaches, or any BS, right? So I'm here for you guys, everybody with the big operation scaling their business, to try to hopefully lead you in the right path and get you away from all of this AI noise. So if that sounds like you, then subscribe to join the community and join the family, all right? Let me know what you guys want to see. My name's Nolan Grout. Let me know your name below. No, I'm kidding. Let me know what you want to automate in your business with AI agents below so that it can handle the busy work for you. What's the busy work in your business? Let me know below. Leave a like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.